Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to open 3D modeler and how to settings 3D printer. So here you can edit your 3D model STL file into the your slicer. Here I'm using Prusa slicer for 3D printer. In here after you got your 3D model into the slicer, and you can see it like this, and you can resize it in using scaler. So here if you click here, you can scale it as you want, and here you can rotate which area you want to print and how it's going to be printed. So here I don't want to print like this, and I'm rotating it like this side, and now it's rotating into here. So in my 3D model I'm scale that, rotate, and here I'm going to settings how many layers scale in this, and here it's you can choose what millimeter you want to details in your model. And here filament you can select which kind filament you want to print, and here printer you can select which printer you're going to print this model in 3D printer. And support is this one. You must select your support builder plate, yes, and without a support you can't print 3D so modeling, so you must select your support. And infill is the most beautiful thing in 3D model. Infill is inside filling. How do you want to fill inside? So here infill is I'm selecting 20%, and after that go to the print setting. You can see print parameters, how it printing, and infill. Go to the infill. You can see the which kind pattern you want print in here. First I show you honeycomb. Mostly I like honeycomb pattern. So after that select the honeycomb and go to the platter and select preview. In the preview mode you can see the layers and every details what you going to print. And here this rotate moving this, you can see here you can go to print inside honeycomb pattern in the inside, and how many layers you want to create in here. And here you can see how it's going to be print. Mostly I like honeycomb pattern, and let's go and see another pattern. And cubic pattern also the same, and go to the preview and see how you going to print your cubic pattern in the inside. So after you did every settings, you must export your G-code into the 3D printer. Here G-code is the only one coding method 3D printer can understand. So after settings up your 3D modeler, you can export your G-code into the your computer and take it into the chip, and that chip you can use in 3D model, 3D printer, and print your 3D. Thank you.